I boiled water and pour them on the potatoes and let these sit on the stove for quite a long time until it's okay. But then I keep them in the fridge, and when I want to prepare them, I simply cut them to pieces. So the pieces inside the toaster, and that's what we get. I sliced them about 7 to 10 millimeters wide, and then we'll throw them inside the toaster. Simply put them inside the toaster, nothing special, and then you just put them down. After 6 minutes, they start to be brown and smell very good, and it's better to bring this up so you can see it. They get this color, and they're ready. You need to fish them out. Be careful. They are ready. They are very tasty, and the smell is good. The camera cannot deliver the smell, but I guarantee that you will enjoy it. And the next step is having some avocado and salt, and here you get the perfect meal.